YouTube started with a single MySQL database and few servers. But as every video, comment, and views piled up, the setup quickly became overwhelmed. The solution was to build a layer on the top of MySQL, which is called Vitis, if I could pronounce that. Imagine Vitis as a super organized librarian. Instead of letting users sift through the entire library, Vitis routes and prioritized every request. It does not replace MySQL, it sits on the top of it. When a web application is in its early days, a single MySQL instance works great. The app reads, writes, or even temporarily pauses for backup with hardly any hassle. Now, one quick trick is scaling it using replicas. YouTube uses read replicas to spread out load. Instead of read request hitting the primary, many are sent to those replicas, and the trade-off is there can be a few seconds delay, but for things like video views or list pages, the minor lag is acceptable. The key challenge appears when write traffic spikes. MySQL replication is single-threaded, and that's where YouTube introduced Prime Cache. This tool pre-reads the cache rows before they are needed. It shifts work from the slower disk to the lightning fast memory. So as YouTube's database grew huge, even these tweaks were not enough. They turned to vertical splitting and shading. Vertical splitting means dividing related tables into separate database. You store user profile in one and video data in another. Shading goes further. It slices a huge table into smaller pieces across multiple servers, each handling just a portion of the load. Vitis even automates sharding. When a sharding gets too heavy, engineers just signal a split, and Vitis set up a new SQL instances, copies the data, and redirects queries, all with the minimal downtime. Handling all these pieces means directing queries properly becomes another hurdle. So here comes VTGate and VTTablet. VTGate works as the main entry point. It figures out which shard and replica should be handled. And VTTablet, it sits down in front of MySQL instances, managing connections, pools, checking the queries are safe to run for instances, ensuring a limit clause is present if needed, and even killing long running queries. The dual system keeps everything running smoothly and safely.